Betty Boop. It's really amazing the way some characters like stand the test of time. The ever popular Betty Boop. When was she originally invented? That's what I want to know. How old is Betty? Wow. She was featured in 90 theatrical cartoons. In 1930, she's nearly 100 years old. Cool. Different time, huh? So let's draw her. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Big round eyes, very simple style. So we could probably fit the whole character in. So let's go. My head is like getting in the shot, sorry. Boom. Right, we'll just do this circle. Right, and then like, so they do, she's looking up, right? And there's like a little chunk taken out of her eye for the highlight. Right, and that's just black. Right, and then 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 5 down here then. Right, we'll do another one beside it. Little chunk taken out. Color black. And then 6 eyelashes. Some on the bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5. And she got a little button nose there. And then down-turned eyebrows, kind of Nike ticks. That's interesting. Kind of turned down. They do kind of look like Nike ticks, just turned upside down and down. Right, so her lips are like on her chin. So, and it's black with a little white dot. So, what should I do first? Yeah, maybe I'll do the lips first. So it's like a letter M, like a capital sort of letter M there. And then it seems to come down like that, right? And then there's just like a little highlight kind of left there, and then the rest is black. Depending on, I suppose, which version of Betty Boop you're drawing. Right, and then she has these cheeks that like join the corners of her mouth. It's a really characteristic kind of look. This one's kind of longer because her head is like turned away a bit. So it's a slight 3/4 pose, you know, her head's kind of turned that way a bit. That's why that one's not as round as that one. And then she has an earring, a gold one. Right here. underneath her hair. The other one there. And then she has this curly hair, right? So so interesting how this like style is like pretty much gone. You know, this hairstyle and everything. I'm sure there's some people that still like do it. This is like a sort of a love heart kind of thing. Going there, right, and there's a bit of a gap then, and then it goes. Down, all these hooks kind of coming in onto her head. And then spike up. A part in her hair there, right, and then this has lines going down the middle. Now, so no neck. So like what way is this? So the dress. So we got this like double bump for the top of the dress on her chest here, right? Kind of like top of a love heart sort of thing. And then this curves down, very small waist. Right, and then her back is just there. It's two arms going that way, but I'll just get like hips. And then the bottom of the dress kind of curves up and around. I imagine in 1930 this was probably a bit controversial, was it? No. Probably in certain circles. Love heart there. Right, so her hand is on her hip. That's why I haven't brought that sort of bell shape back. So like this like comes out to her elbow, very simply drawn arms, right? Just curving that way. Elbow into there. Okay. Then the other arm, I'll just do that. I'll do the arms first, and then we can do the hands. Like so. And then a hand on the hip. So she's got like a bracelet, like a gold bracelet around her wrist. And then her hands are very delicate, sort of small things. And they do an interesting thing where they just give her like double fingers, which is weird. Like there's no, it's 3 fingers. I don't know why you wouldn't just draw the other one. Anyway. So on her hip there, and then the other one, bracelet sort of hanging off her wrist. And this hand kind of like going out. Very sort of spiky. And then again, this sort of clubbed finger. Suppose it would make things easier to draw if there was less fingers. Unusual though. Okay. legs. So very simple. So that way. No knee. But we get the calf, then down to there. And it's in like a pointy sort of shoe, which is just kind of black at the top of her foot. And then down this way. So another sort of pointy high heel. Like that, and then she's got what are these called again? It's like a garter, isn't it? Garter belt or one of those. Betty Boop. Thanks for the support on Patreon as well. Sorry for delay. A lot of requests. See you in the next one.